Are you struggling with ManyChat's SMS notifications? If you've been feeling like you've double checked everything, you've looked at every setting, but those pesky SMS notifications just refuse to work, well, I have a little tip for you today that should fix it in under a minute. Ready to do this with me? Let's go. So here I am in my ManyChat account's dashboard, and what I'm going to do is head over to settings and look for SMS under channels. You'll find a setting called SMS body link shortener here, and the default setting for this is mc.ht. If you click on it, you'll see an option to disable it. And it does say no CTR, so keep in mind that this might affect ManyChat's click-through rate reporting in your account for SMS. But also keep in mind that a lot of carriers in the US and AT&T in particular, since that's the one that I use, and I know that that's one of them for sure, a lot of these carriers don't work with link shorteners, unfortunately. So this is our only option to get our SMSs to work. So go ahead and let me know below if that was helpful, or if you have any questions or comments, definitely leave them below in the comment section, and I will see you on the next one. Bye.